Good day, my name is Robert Farrell. Welcome to my engaging, curated shopping website. Now, wouldn't you like to have a website like this? I will teach you how to build step-by-step a website with all the bells and whistles, how to drive traffic, how to post on social media the right way. Now, what do I mean by that? Well, this is an affiliate marketing site, which means it's an engaging site, but you can also buy things from Amazon, Walmart, Target, basically anybody you're an affiliate with. I have a complete turnkey system, but what I'm going to share with you is how to build this step by step. No strings attached, 100% free. So if you take a look at this site, you'll see that this is mobile ready. It works on any device. If I click right here, I'll go into the site. So I apologize about my voice. I got a bit of a cold happening. So the nice thing about this site, it's filled with engaging content, so it's not very salesy. So if you do want to get into sales stuff, it's down toward the bottom. But here's what I want to share with you. If you really want to be successful with online selling, then stop selling. Yes, that's what I mean. I gave a seminar 3 summers ago in Phuket, Thailand, to about 2,800 people. And the first thing I said to them was, stop selling. They looked at me like I had 2 heads. The objective here is nobody wants to be sold. They want to be offered value, engaging content. That's what's going to drive traffic to your site. Now, here's something you probably don't know. The number 2 search engine is YouTube. So what I've done is I'm going to share with you how to build a marketable site and drive traffic with YouTube videos. Now, you can make your own YouTube videos, or there's literally billions of them all set to use. So let's think about something. Let's say that you were going to sell a Gucci handbag. Do you think you're going to be successful posting a Gucci handbag online from Amazon or Saks Fifth Avenue or Bloomingdale's? No. But what you can do is a handbag review, or the 5 best value for handbags, or the best handbag suggestions for this season. That's going to engage people. Again, I will take you step by step throughout the process. So simply click on the link below, or go to my chat bot in the right-hand corner and type in free course. The chat bot in the right-hand corner, that little message or Facebook, just type in free course and I will share with you how to create a curated shopping website that has all the bells, all the whistles. Thanks for being here. My name is Robert Farrell.